Enercon Engineering has grown from a small central Illinois company into a world leader in the production of on-site power generation units, controls, and switchgear. The company has over 42,000 active projects in more than 100 countries.
We were founded in 1975 during the oil embargo, so my father, who founded the organization, saw an opportunity in the Middle East and right away was export focused. So from day one, we were shipping product overseas. And we've been export focused forever since then. And being here in Peoria, located with Caterpillar, we tied in with Caterpillar from the beginning in 1975, and they are in the world everywhere, and so we follow them everywhere in the world.
In a market where delivering on time literally impacts whether the lights stay on or off, Enercon requires an efficient workforce that can consistently produce high quality, on time, and on budget. This flexibility enables Enercon to provide power quickly. That's especially important in disaster situations.
The biggest challenge, of course, is people, and having the right people in the right position and with the right knowledge. Certainly the other challenges we face besides people is the request for speed of delivery. Many of the projects we get involved in is responding to disasters. We're like the Japan tsunami and the resulting nuclear disaster. We had to respond to that in a very short time frame. We helped produce 32 power modules, a total of 48 megawatts of power in less than 7 weeks from date of order.
Enercon has used the Illinois Manufacturing Extension Center, IMEC, for assistance in a number of critical areas, recently engaging specialists to standardize operating methods, giving its workers the capabilities to increase output and resolve problems.
Their knowledge in lean manufacturing and knowledge in supervisor training has helped increase the level of capability of our supervisors so that they're more effective in the jobs they're doing, and therefore our people are more effective. So IMEC has ingratiated themselves in a way to be that outside source of expertise in areas we need.
Tangle appreciates having a trusted advisor like IMEC to help his company implement next-generation strategies and focus on continuous improvement.
Well, IMEC has domain-specific expertise in areas like quality, areas like manufacturing, lean manufacturing, management supervisor training, in areas that we don't have that expertise. And so what I know is that everybody needs help, and we need help from people who have expertise in areas we don't have.